want to show you how to play Why Me, Lord by Kris Kristofferson. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that introduction. You've got the C chord, C and then E, G. Do it again. Down to a G chord, G and the B, D. G, B, D. Down to a D chord, D, F sharp, A. Then walk it back up, the bass line back up, D, E, F sharp, G, B, D, D, and then go down to a D, so we'll get a 5/7 sound out of that D, just the 5 chord, just with the one note, the D, G, D, okay? So, then in the right hand we've got C, 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 B, A, B, 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 A, G, A, A, G, F sharp, G. And then we go right to a G chord right there. So we're in the key of G. And here we go. He says, why me, Lord, right there. And then we start G. Now let's get the melody. G, A, B, C, D, C, C, D, E, F sharp, G, D, G, B, D, C, B, A. He does it again. G, B, C, D, C, C, D, E, F sharp, G, D, F sharp, G, A, G. And then there's a little fill, G, F sharp, F. And it's contrary motion. In the left hand you go G, A, B. It'll be walking up. The right hand walks down. And then we're into the chorus. So let's get the bass line is... So G chord, G, B, D, G, A, B, C chord, C, G, G, G chord, G, D, A, D. So an open fifth sound on D. So you basically got your 1 chord in G, your C chord, and your D chord, your 4 and your 5 chord. But you've got the D, A, D, then walk it up to G. D, E, F sharp, back to G chord. G, walk it up to C chord, C chord, C chord, down to G chord, then open fifth on D, the D chord, and resolves to the G chord. Then the chorus will start off with the C chord. So let's put our hands together there where the vocals come in. Why me, Lord? Now the chorus. The chorus is C, 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 B, A, B, A, G, D, B, A, G, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G, B, G. Then it walks again. G, F sharp, F, and then there's a pickup. G, C, 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 B, A, B, A, G, D, B, A, G, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, G. And the chorus, the left hand is a C chord to a G chord, and then it walks down G, F sharp, E, D, A, D, D. So you go G, F sharp, E, D, open fifth to the octave, back down to the D, G, walk back up, G, A, B, C chord, again, down to the G chord, G, F sharp, E, D, A, D, D, G chord. Now one thing you might notice that the chords are just 1, 3, 5. C chord, 1, 3, 5 on C. Once you get that, you've unlocked the key to a lot of playing the piano. 1, 3, 5 on G, and a 1, 3, 5 on D, but we're skipping the third because that makes it sound muddy down low. So I just play the open fifth, and just a single note on the D, G chord. Okay, so let's play the C. Let's play the chorus, and let's get into it with the walking right there. Chorus. Walks again. And then the second verse sets up with a D again. Try me, Lord. And then right back through the same thing. The walking notes into the chorus, the last chorus. And there at the end you'll change from a G chord to a C chord, the 4 chord back to the G, resolves back, and then we'll play the tag very slowly. And here, by going to an A and a C right there, I'll get this 5-7 sound. 1, 3, 5, 7. So I'll leave out the F sharp because so we've got the F sharp in the melody. And then we'll plane the chords down. G, C chord, B minor chord, A minor chord, G. So we'll just go C, B, A, G, and we'll put the corresponding chords on each one. Now your C chord is 1, 3, 5 on C. The B minor chord is a white, white, black, white, white, black, B, D, F sharp, and the A minor chord is all white, just like C, A, C, E, and the G chord is all white. So the tag will sound like this. Why Me, Lord by Kris Kristofferson. Hope you enjoy playing it and singing it.